Processing payments in Salesforce can be a hassle, especially if you're using third-party tools or connectors. This vital part of your business shouldn't take multiple steps that can waste time and add extra room for clerical mistakes. That's why we've created the virtual terminal, one of the standout features included out of the box with Blackthorn Payments. With the virtual terminal, you can create and immediately tokenize new payment methods and capture PCI-compliant payments in person and over the phone. And because Blackthorn Payments is built directly on Salesforce, the virtual terminal can be used on any standard or custom object, and you can add and remove custom fields and pre-populate metadata with custom mapping. So let's see how it all works. Here, we have an opportunity for a customer that we're going to be doing business with. We've added the virtual terminal to this page by editing the page layout using the gear icon at the top. Since this is the first deal we've closed with this customer, we'll need to first add a payment method so we can charge this customer now and in the future. The virtual terminal makes this a breeze. We'll start by setting the virtual terminal to add a new payment method, and then select the payment gateway we'd like to use. Next, we'll add in the credit card information provided by the customer, determine if we want to set this as the default payment method, and then click Add. When we click Add, that credit card information is immediately tokenized with the payment gateway, and then that token is stored in the payment method record for future transactions. The original credit card data is never stored in your Salesforce org. We know that security and PCI compliance is vital to so many of our customers, which is why we iframe the payment gateway fields straight from the payment gateway instead of using Apex fields for the virtual terminal. Using Apex actually provides a small window where sensitive credit card information could be stored for a few moments before being flushed, potentially breaking PCI compliance in your Salesforce org. By iframing directly to your payment gateway, Blackthorn Payments never actually needs to keep any persistent data. Once you add a card or process the transaction, the data is immediately and automatically pushed to the gateway, providing you and your business another layer of security. So now that we have a new payment method, let's charge our new customer for the products and services they purchased. As you can see, the virtual terminal has some out-of-the-box automatic lookups that will relate this new transaction to the customer account and set the opportunity we're currently viewing as the parent object for this transaction. When you click on the payment method field, you can see the tokenized payment methods related to this account. We'll select the one we just created. Next, you'll see the amount field is already pre-populated from this opportunity. This amount can be pre-filled from fields on the parent object. So if you're using the virtual terminal on a custom object, you can easily add a field and have it pre-populate when creating a new transaction. And if you want to add or remove your own fields, lookups, and more to the virtual terminal, you can do so by heading over into the custom metadata types and selecting our virtual terminal metadata. This will allow you to remove any of our out-of-the-box fields I mentioned earlier, or map your own new, pre-populated fields to fit any and all payment scenarios your business might run into. Now that we have all this information filled out, we can choose one of three options to process this transaction. Capture Now will automatically charge and capture this payment when you click Process. Auto Process will allow you to set a date in the future for this transaction to be captured. And finally, Authorize Now will allow you to authorize the specified amount on the payment method to act as a hold without actually charging the card. Let's process this payment now. And just like that, we've charged our brand new customer and officially closed this deal. Once processed, a transaction record is automatically created, and we provide a quick link directly from the virtual terminal so you can see that the payment was captured and completed. If you're ready to take your payments to the next level, then you need Blackthorn Payments. Watch our guided tour or install a free trial today by heading over to the Salesforce App Exchange and clicking Get It Now.